Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're discussing what you should look for in a good high interest savings account. If you're aiming to manage your personal finances better and achieve greater financial stability, then this video is for you. A high interest savings account is a fantastic tool to grow your savings faster while keeping your money safe. But with so many options out there, what should you look for in a good high interest savings account? Let's break it down. First up, interest rates. This is the most obvious factor. Look for accounts that offer competitive interest rates. The higher the rate, the more your money will grow over time. Second, account fees. Be aware of any fees associated with the account. Some banks might offer high interest rates, but some also charge monthly fees that could eat into your savings. Third, minimum balance requirements. Some high-interest savings accounts require you to maintain a certain balance to earn the highest interest rate. Make sure you can comfortably meet these requirements. And number 4, accessibility. How easily can you access your money? Some accounts limit the number of withdrawals you can make each month. Make sure the account's terms align with your financial habits and needs. Fifth, bonus rates and promotions. Some banks offer promotional rates or bonuses for opening a new account or meeting certain conditions. Take advantage of these offers, but also consider the long-term rate after the promotion ends. And 6, online and mobile banking features. A good high-interest savings account should come with user-friendly online and mobile banking features. This makes managing your savings easier and more convenient. 7, insurance and security. Ensure the bank is insured by a government agency. This guarantees your money is protected up to a certain limit. By choosing the right high-interest savings account and incorporating smart budgeting strategies, you can build a strong financial foundation and achieve greater stability. Remember, the key is to make informed decisions and stay committed to your financial goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more personal finance tips. See you next time.